Welcome in. If you're new here, my name is CW, and today I'm going to show you my top Halloween prints that will instantly level up your space. Cozy, spooky, and quick to knock out on the printer. With Halloween right around the corner, here are my top 10 prints of October 2025.
I spent the past couple weeks scouring over Maker World to find the best prints that I could find for Halloween. And here are the ones that I came up with. At number 1, we have the Forbidden Pumpkin. With a print time of just 6 hours, Billy and Katie are also the creators of the very popular Forbidden Fruit. This is a very detailed model and will look great on display. At number 2, we have the Horror Knives set of 6, modeled by Williams Industries with a print time of 9 hours total. This is a great wall piece with all your classic characters. Coming in at number 3, with the Eat My Candies Bowl, modeled by Steve_82, with a print time of 6 hours. This is a great Halloween centerpiece to hold all your candies. At number 4, we have the Knitted Pumpkin and the Knitted Bat. The pumpkin is modeled by Sculpture Rismo 3D and the bat by Smallgate 3D. These are two highly detailed display pieces. At number 5, we have Tic Tac Tomb. It's a graveyard of pumpkins and ghosts. This is a fun little piece as it doubles as a display piece and an actual game. Number 6, the Floating Dripping Candles. This is a very simple print and place model. It's designed to fit the average tea light. These candles actually look like they're floating, and when the lights are off, it gives a huge Halloween vibe. If you or a loved one are on the Labubu hype train, this one's for you. With a print time of 13 hours and 7 plates, this one is well worth your time. At number 8, we have the Coffin Storage / Light Box. This is a simple piece with very little assembly. I used mine as a storage box, but here's a picture by Soul Petku as lights. At number 9, we have these pumpkin skull coasters. These Halloween themed coasters come with a matching holder to give that spooky touch to your table or living room. And at number 10, we have the Pumpkin and Scream Ghostface ice cream holders. These are modeled by 3D Geeks and can be found on things.com. These prints hold your ice cream and have 2 slots in the back for spoons to keep your hands warm. And honorable mention number 1 is Ghostface Book Nook. It has holes on the back, it can be hung on the wall, and it can also be placed in between your books. This is the perfect print for the book lovers out there. And at honorable mention number 2, we have PumpkinVader. This is my personal favorite, modeled by Lemon Arts, with a print time of 5 hours. This is perfect for the Star Wars lovers out there.
October is one of my favorite times to print. I love seeing all the Halloween files creators can come up with. If you enjoyed this lineup, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to help on the road to 10K. I have plenty of other projects coming up in the near future, and I can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for watching me bring these from pixels to prints.